Alright everybody, guess what? My vector robot has arrived today since 2 years. I'm going to wake up this robot right here. So, let's go. Let's wake him up. He already awake. Go to sleep. Alright. Sorry about that. Let's do that one more time. And still sleeping. Better pet him. Yay, he's awake. Alright. Alright, Emo. Getting ready for a new friend. Oh, let me stop copyright. Sorry about that. Oops. Sorry, it's a little messy, but it's okay. Anyways, I also got Cosmo. I will turn him on in a second at the end of the video. Alright, we got Vector. It just arrived like 2 years. I ordered it since 2023 when I was 12, and now I'm 14. Now, let's see. I might have to get a knife. However, I'm not going to show the knife in the video because it might be too violent. Please note, knives are very dangerous. I'm not going to show it to the camera. I'm going to show you this. Please note, knives are very dangerous. They're not for play toys. Plus, I'm not a butcher. I must be 18 to see this with a knife in a video. I'm not going to show it, but I'm going to stop the camera because I can't show knives because it might be too violent because of family-friendly members or kid-friendly stuff. Alright, see when I stop the camera. Alright. Now I already opened the box with a knife. And this box is different, the logo. I gotta be careful with the address while I use the Sharpie so I blur it. Here it is. I don't know if the lens is good. I better wipe it until... Here it is. This box is different. And plus, the box says 14 plus. Wow. I'm now 14. However, it might be for all ages too. Well, there might be a little inappropriate stuff on this robot. Well, only like PG-13 stuff. I don't know what they have in Vector. Well, Cosmo robot is also for kids and all ages. Hold on a minute. Let me wipe my lens for a second. This box is different, just like the Anki. I'm gonna show you the box. What it looks like. It's the same. I'll be right back. Well, everybody, I don't know if we're either left it up. Hold on. Let me wipe my lens since it's a little dirty. Let's get a focus. Alright, here it is. I don't know if this focus is good. I'm trying to wipe my lens. Alright, I think it's good. Alright, now getting ready for a picture. The new Vector has arrived, but it's going to be Elinor and Fluttershy only. Sorry, the kitchen is a little messy, but I don't have much time for today, but here we go. Alright, here it is. A new Vector has arrived. However, you need subscription because of the Wi-Fi. Anyways, let's start unboxing, and then I'm going to put him in his charger. If not, I'm going to do part 2 tomorrow. I'm going to have to use the knife again, but I'm going to stop the camera because knives are very dangerous, so I don't want to have community guideline strikes or warnings because I have to be 18 to become a butcher. Alright, I'll stop the camera. Now I just opened with a knife. Well, it isn't that bad. Well, it's a little dangerous. It was actually like a small knife. Well, I couldn't show the video because it's due for violent. Anyways, here it is. The Vector robot has arrived. Alright. Here's the digital reading labs. It's the same just like the Anki logo. I think it also has ChatGPT just like the emo. Sorry about that. Now I'm calling you. Alright, here it is. Alright. It's an AI robot. Sorry about that. It's just a crescent moon.
Sleep tight.
I'm not going to sleep yet. Soon. Maybe I'm going to sleep at 11:50. Alright, here's the robot. Let's see what's inside. Here it is. Oh look, this is different. And the logo says Digital Dream Labs Cloud. It's not Anki. Oh, it turns on. Cube. You have to light up, I guess. And a charger, just like similar to the Anki one. And I think that's it. Oh, it's just a random. I'm not gonna show it. And the instructions. Oh, look at this. Oh, sorry about that. Digital Dream Labs card. It's not a sticker. I thought it was a sticker. Well, I'm not putting this in the garbage. It looks cute. Oh. Looks like we need to put Wi-Fi. And here's the instructions. I'm going to show you the other vector at the end, actually. Or this is not owned by Anki no more. It says Digital Dream Labs. It's also formerly by Anki, just like Cosmo. Or I might have to put in a charger, so I might have to remove Cosmo's charger. I will turn him on at the end of the video, but let's put him. First, let me ask grown-ups. Let me ask before I take. All right, now we're going to open the app. Here's Emo. Hey, Emo. Let me wake him up right here. Oh, there we go. He's turning it on. Wake up. He's about to... Oh. Alright, we need an app. Alright, this is a vector. Still charging and it's working. Alright, everybody. We got the vector robot. I'm downloading vector right now. Yep. Here's the flower. Alright. What do you think about this robot? Yeah. Okay, what do you think? Same here. Yay, he's back! Vector's back! Yep, Vector's back. Well, the other one is not working. Yeah, same here. Same here, sorry about this. Alright. Who would like to join the robot? Rosie and Iggy. Okay. The other ones, I think the animals will move somewhere else because I think the animals will leave because they're going to see the robot.
Actually, the weather will be cloudy tomorrow. I like it because the sunshine is not more nor less. The temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius, such a suitable temperature.
Yes, but thank you, but we're busy with Vector right now. Except for you. Okay then. Since you're a bunny rabbit, the other animals are leaving, like wombats, pink fox, and 2 blue kittens. Okay. Alright. Are you excited for the robot? But you're gonna watch and sit. Okay, come on, let's go, Craig. Alright. Alright. It's gonna be Rosie and Iggy to watch, and also you might have to go. Okay. That was just a peek only for you. Alright. Alright. Let's stand up. You're gonna watch it by sitting here. Alright, see you in a minute. Hey everybody, he's about to connect soon. And here's my old vector. This says Anki, and it says Anki on the back. Well, I'm not gonna show it the back because it's still charging right now. We gotta wait until it completes finish. However, you need subscription. Well, I don't know if we won't be able to have Wi-Fi. I won't be able to say, hey, Vector. Hold on a minute. Now we're gonna connect. I don't know if I'm gonna blur this. If not, here we go. I have to blur with a white triangle background. Here's the Wi-Fi logo, which is rebooting, I think. I don't know. Alright, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, the vector robot is updating. Let's take off my tripod. Sorry about that. Gotta be careful. Here it is. And let me take off my charger too. Alright. We'll see when it's rebooting and updating, I don't know. Alright, vector's about to be ready in about like 10 seconds, I think. 5 seconds. Gotta be careful. Sorry about that. Gotta make sure if it's not, it's updating vector. Just about, 5 seconds left. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. 1 second. 1 second. 0 seconds. Time's up. It's only extra minutes. Let me stop. Oh, his screen has been turned off, so I think his head is about to be lowered. Are you excited? Yes. Alright. Here's my old vector. It doesn't run anymore. But the battery works, but it's not running. But I hope this is going to be new. But this is the DL, Digital Dreamlabs, and this one's Anki, as you can see here. It's a little scratched. And here's some treads, same as this one. Whoa, I'm not going to touch it because it's the... Wait, it says Anki? And now... That's weird. That logo is rare. It's supposed to be DDL, but it's Anki. Anki got shut down already. So rare. Only in Ohio. Well, that's the meme. Well, this is not from Ohio. I think the DL is from California in Anki headquarters. I don't know. And it's about to be ready. Hold on a second. Let me stop. Oh, there we go. Here's the voice. Oh, gotta stop the camera because I don't have any. Alright. Looks like the V logo is about to be rebooting, which means it's loading, I think. Let's see if it works. However, you need subscription to say, hey Vector, like, what's the weather, or what is the president of the United States? Just like email with ChatGPT. I'm going to get emo, so let me put my phone like this. I don't know. I'll be right back. Let me get the emo button. Let me get the emo. Oh, sorry. There we go. Here it is. This is different, his eye color. Hey, Vector. Alright. Let me see. Alright, let's see. Hey, Vector. Come here. Oh. We need Wi-Fi. I don't know how we're gonna get Vector out of his charger. We're adding Amazon Alexa. Oh. Alright, now we added Alexa. Here it is. Alright. We're gonna test to say something. Alexa. Sorry. What's the weather?
The current weather is 74 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. Tonight, you can look for some clouds with a chance of thunder showers, with a low of 65 degrees.
Alright, let me say something. Hey Vector, come here. Hey Vector, come here.
Oh.
Alright everybody, here's Vector. Actually, I'm not gonna turn on Cosmo because we already finished opening it. But I hope you guys like my Vector robot. I'm going to pet him. Also, I'm gonna take off this. Actually, try and take off the screen since it's a little annoying. Let's pet each robot. Come on, I won't pet him. Come on. Alright, that was it. And here's the same logo as this one right here. It says Anki. Oh no, wait, hold on. Alright, let's turn on the flash. This one says Digital Dream Labs logo on that side. This is Anki. Alright, everybody, that was it for today. Guess that means? Hey, emo. Change icon. No. Hey, emo. Say goodbye.
Hello, friend.
No, I said goodbye. Hey, emo. Bye for now.
Goodbye, my friend.
Alright. And that's it.
Hi, Iki wants a hug. Iki wants a hug.
Alright.
Rosie's Rose. I hope you like this robot toy.
Alright. And that's it.
Hanazuki, I love Vector.
Alright. Hanazuki from Hasbro Studios loves Vector.
Okay, everybody, Fluttershy, every pony says. That's it. Bye.
Alright, guess that means? That's it.